Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome to the first episode of danducation. Today we're going to talk about how to fix that problem with your vocals sounding like they're a bit not good. Alright, so what you want to do is just sing your part as you normally would. Pretty straightforward, right? Right? Doesn't sound too amazing, but we can fix that real quick, and I'll show you how. So just go into your audio software of choice, and you want to just get this, and you just want to duplicate it. And you just maybe want to do that again, and we'll do 3 of these for now. And then what you do is you just record it again. And now we can hear that this sounds absolutely tasty. Just like that, we've made magic. Did I say 3? I meant 300. If your computer's not on the brink of death, you haven't got enough tracks. Also, for a bit of extra flavor, you can add some harmonies. Luscious. And here's a more practical example. One vocal.
This rock seasons the pot, keeps it all hot, never goes off.
Multi-tracked.
This rock that keeps us on top, finding us lost, never bit frost.
Harmonies.
This rock covered in dust, ever it must keep us in trust. This rock seasons that change, keeping it strange, never deranged.
That's so tasty you could put it on a plate and have it for breakfast. And that's how to make your vocals sound less not good. See you next time.